Game theory, a branch of mathematics, studies strategic decision-making when multiple players are involved. John von Neumann introduced the theory in his book, Theory of Games and Economic Behavior, co-authored with economist Oskar Morgenstern in 1944. The theory of games aims to find optimal strategies for players in a given situation to maximize their payoff or minimize losses. Games involve a set of players, actions or strategies available to each player, and payoffs that correspond to each possible outcome. Players choose their strategies based on their goals, beliefs about other players' strategies, and expected payoffs. Game theory can analyze different types of games, including cooperative, non-cooperative, and repeated games. Cooperative games allow players to work together to achieve a common goal, while non-cooperative games involve independent actions to achieve individual goals. Repeated games allow players to learn from past experiences and adjust their strategies. The Prisoner's Dilemma is a famous example of a non-cooperative game. Two individuals are arrested for a crime and held separately. They are given the opportunity to confess or remain silent. The optimal strategy depends on what the other player does. If both players cooperate and remain silent, they receive a light sentence. If one player defects and confesses, they receive a lighter sentence while the other player receives a harsher one. If both players confess, they receive moderate sentences. The best outcome for each player individually is not the same as the best outcome for both players collectively. Game theory has applications in various fields, including economics, political science, psychology, and biology. It studies market behavior, voting behavior, social norms, and other phenomena. John von Neumann and Oskar Morgenstern's contributions to game theory's development have been invaluable, and it continues to be an important area of research in mathematics and the social sciences.